If your dog is slowing down, stiff after naps, or showing signs of discomfort, arthritis could be the reason. A simple, gentle massage at home can help ease their pain and improve their quality of life. Arthritis is a common problem in older dogs, and even some younger ones with joint conditions. Before you begin, find a quiet, comfortable space where your dog feels relaxed. Make sure they are lying on a soft surface like a dog bed or blanket. Always approach massage calmly, speaking gently and letting your dog know you're there to help. Begin by softly petting your dog from head to tail. This helps calm them down and lets them get used to your touch. Using your fingertips, apply light circular motions around the neck and shoulders. Place hands on either side of the spine and move them along the back, avoiding direct pressure on the spine. Keep the pressure gentle, never press too hard. If your dog is comfortable, massage the legs with long, smooth strokes. Focus on the joints, especially the elbows, knees, and hips. Use soft kneading motions around the joint area, avoiding any direct pressure on the bone. With your palm flat, use slow strokes along your dog's back, following the natural curve of the spine. Avoid pressing directly on the spine, just keep your movements relaxed and supportive. Your dog will tell you what feels good. Look for signs like tail wagging, sighing, relaxed breathing, or leaning into your hands. If they seem uncomfortable, stop or move to a different area. Finish the massage with gentle petting to help your dog feel calm and loved. Offer a small treat afterward to create a positive and relaxing experience. Applying a warm compress or towel before or after the massage helps relax your dog's muscles and eases pain. This simple step enhances the massage's effectiveness and provides extra comfort. Use a memory foam or orthopedic dog bed to reduce pressure on joints while they rest. This supports their body and helps reduce pain during sleep. Extra weight puts more strain on your dog's joints. A balanced diet and regular, low-impact exercise can help maintain a healthy weight, easing arthritis symptoms. Short, slow walks help keep joints flexible and muscles strong. Avoid high-impact activities like running or jumping, especially on hard surfaces. If your dog is experiencing severe arthritis pain or shows signs of discomfort, it's essential to consult with a veterinarian before starting any massage routine. Luma Sooth Combo provides soothing light therapy that helps reduce joint inflammation and pain in dogs with arthritis. It promotes healing and improves mobility, making daily activities more comfortable for your furry friend. By following these gentle care techniques and giving regular massages, you will make a big difference in your dog's comfort and happiness. This will help them enjoy their golden years with greater ease and joy.